Namaskar. Some morning, your body gives a clear signal, your face dull and stretched. There is slight puffiness under the eye or an oil which was not there before. These are not problems to be fixed but message to be understood. In yoga and Ayurveda, the skin is viewed as a reflection of inner balance. When there is too much internal heat, a built-up of toxin or a slow digestion, the body often speaks through skin. In this case, instead of reaching for external solution, yogic healing keeps you to go within. One of the most gentle way to restore balance is through what you take the first thing in the morning. Today I will share with you a simple traditional herbal drink which supports three systems: the gut, the liver and lymphatic channel. These three play a big role in overall skin health. And at the end, I will also share a bonus skin cleanse snack. I will also share one snack which is skin cleansing idea that pairs perfectly with the drink. The first thing you should drink in the morning for clear skin is Manjistha and Mulethi Infusion. This herbal remedy uses two powerful Ayurvedic herbs, Manjistha, which supports blood purification and lymphatic flow. Even studies have shown that Manjistha has a powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property. And Mulethi, also known as licorice root, which calms inflammation and helps balance hormones. Together, they work deep within your body to target the real cause of skin problems. Let's understand what is this actually doing. It supports your liver, which helps clear toxins that would otherwise show out as breakout or dullness. It calms heat, redness and inflammation in the body. It supports the lymphatic system, which acts like your internal drainage network, puffing out cleanliness and skin congestion. And it's incredibly gentle, and that's why even sensitive skin can also benefit. If you wake up feeling bloated, puffy, and even new breakouts, this might be the drink your body needs. Now let's see how to make it. You will need half teaspoon Manjistha powder, half teaspoon Mulethi powder, 1.5 cup of warm, not hot water. Optional, few dry rose petals for cooling and aroma. Now stir this powder into warm water. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain if you prefer. Sip slowly on an empty stomach. You can do this daily for 3 to 4 weeks and then take a short break. Now, when and how you will start see the results? What will happen is, within the first few days, you may feel less bloated. By week 2, your skin may look calmer, especially if you struggle with the heat-based issues like acne, pigmentation or oiliness, because this drink targets on your body's cleansing system. It clears skin not by scrubbing but by balancing from within. But remember a few precautions like not having this drink during pregnancy, or you are on medication or having low BP. Always check with your doctor. Through a quick test by starting with half the dose for a few days. Now at the end, let me give you a recipe for skin clearing snack. Try this Fennel and Apple snack and see how much your skin tone improves. The ingredients you will need are 1 grated apple, half teaspoon soft fennel seed, a pinch of cinnamon. What you have to do is add a teaspoon of cow's ghee to this mixture. To a pan, add the fennel seeds and let them sizzle. Then add and cook the grated apple for 5 minutes. Now sprinkle some cinnamon powder. It's naturally sweet, cooling and supports digestion. Perfect follow-up of your morning drink for glowing skin. Try to have this at least twice a week for good results. See, understand that clear skin is not about just cream and serum. It's about how your body processes the toxins, and this simple Manjistha and Mulethi infusion helps your skin by supporting natural detox, calming inflammation and restoring internal balance. Start your morning with this gentle ritual and let your glow come from within. Try it for a few weeks and notice the difference. And if it works for you, share it with someone who is struggling with the skin issues too. Take care and glow naturally. Namaskar.